Do dogs recognize their siblings or parents? Obviously, different people have distinctive answers for this question, depending on their own experiences with their dogs. Some people have had dogs that seem to recognize and know their mother or siblings when they met them again later. Other people have had dogs that didn't know family members when they encountered them after a time. It is certainly true that a lot depends on the individual dog and their experiences when they are young. If a puppy is removed from its mother at their early junior age, in all certainty, it has fewer chances to form strong bonds. That puppy may be less likely to remember his mother and siblings a year or two later. On the other hand, if a puppy spends a long time for his mother and littermates and doesn't leave home until he is 3 or 4 months old, it may be much more likely that he will remember them all his life. As I experienced when I bred before, puppies learn many things from their dam and littermates. This is their first pack. This is the period during which they learn how to be a dog at all. So it only stands to reason that the longer they spend with this particular group, the more likely they are to remember the lessons they learn, and the individual pack members. It is also important to realize that dogs think less in terms of family, i.e., mother, brothers, sister, and more in terms of pack. They are conscious of being part of a group. A puppy probably has no sense of being related to a certain dog, but he will know where he stands in relation to the pack hierarchy. He will know that his mother must be obeyed, and that he can goof around with his brothers and sisters. He will learn the social rules of the group, but he probably doesn't consciously think, "This is my dad, so I have to do what he says." He just knows that there is a bigger, stronger dog and things go better for him when he does what he is supposed to do. Many people are shocked by the idea that a dog would mate with his mother, or a dog would mate with his daughter. In fact, dogs do not have any kind of moral system similar to human systems. Incest is a humane idea, and it is completely alien to dogs. When dogs are in season, the only important issue is who is healthy and fit enough for breeding. Furthermore, who has the proper status within the group to have the right to breed. This approach is based on thousands of years of evolution, and it has helped dogs survive. If you have two related dogs, there is nothing to stop them from breeding unless you intervene to prevent it. That is one of the reasons why most pet owners do have their dogs spayed or neutered unless they plan to have puppies. You may enrich your knowledge about living with dogs at http://www.talkourdogs.com.